Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import products from Shopify to Etsy. So we're going to start with apps.shopify.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account. You can log in here by clicking on this login button. So in the search bar, just start typing Etsy, then press enter. We have few search results for Etsy, and here are the apps that can help us import products. From here, we're just going to choose Etsy integration by QuickSync. Just a reminder that this app has paid plans. So in order to use this app, you're going to need to choose a plan. To get a detailed overview about their plans, we can click on this See All Pricing Options. So according to the QuickSync website, these are their pricing plans. You have the Lite plan for $19 a month, and that includes inventory syncing, import or export products, and ideal for startup. If you want more features, of course, you're going to need to subscribe to more expensive options such as the Pro plan and Ultra plan. But if what you're only looking for is to import or export products, this Lite plan will do. So once you've decided which plan you're going to take, you can proceed by clicking on install. Once you've subscribed to each of the plans that we've seen earlier, you can continue by connecting your store by clicking on connect store and select store as Shopify, and also just make sure that you enter your Shopify URL. And once done, just click on connect store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!